Tita, do you know what today is?
Boxycharm.
It is Boxycharm Day.
I'm wearing jeans.
She's wearing jeans. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Tita. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Yeah, you're probably wondering where Coco is. We decided let's give Tita a turn because Tita originally would do all of these unboxings with me, and then somehow Coco turned into Coco, the co-host. But she's actually willing to share the spotlight today, so we need to run with it while we can. Although she's back there saying she's Coco. She wants to let y'all know she is here. She is here. Okay, y'all, so this is Boxyluxe. We pulled up the other day and it was sitting in front of the door and I asked my husband, like, is it Boxyluxe month already? Because I didn't realize, and it actually comes from his account, so I have no clue. But unfortunately, I didn't realize, so I didn't pick my choices for this month. I don't even know what the choices were, but when I went to pick them, they were like, oh, it's too late. So I just got whatever I got this month. I'm 50-50 with this box. Some of it I'm like, okay, cool, and some of it I'm just like, and some of it I'm like, you know, I am on the fence. Let's just jump into it. The first thing we have here is the NARS Orgasm Blush. I'm not mad at this, and I know a lot of people would be really happy to get this. Unfortunately, I have this. I have it in loose form. I have this by itself. I have it in a blush palette. I also have the liquid one. So this for me is like, I'm happy that other people got this because it is amazing, but I don't need this one. So I will probably post this on my Poshmark. This retails for $30. I'll show you what it looks like, although I'm sure you know because this is a cult classic. Okay, this is what that one looks like. She's beautiful. I mean, I have her in a number of different forms. I will say you can find the loose one, which is kind of messy, but you can find it at TJ Maxx for pretty inexpensive. That's where I got mine. But I'll link my Poshmark below if y'all want to check it out because some of these items will actually be going on to Poshmark. If I didn't already have this in so many different forms, I would definitely keep this because I do love this one, but I honestly don't need it. The next thing is this Elemis. This is, I think I'm saying it right. I could be, y'all know I butcher everything. We have Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. This retails for $38, so $40. This is a Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser. So hey, so I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna use this. I'm cool with it. Wow, it's really nice packaging actually. That's her thing when she takes pictures. She does that heart thing. It's glass, y'all. This is really nice packaging.
Put the heart right here.
Oh yeah, that's nice. So this comes up. I don't know if it has a smell, but I can't really pinpoint what it is. It doesn't smell like pumpkin. Let me just feel what this texture feels like. It feels like butter, like soft butter, like room temperature butter. It feels very soft. I'm not mad at this. I'm definitely gonna try this out and hopefully I love it. So on the paper it says that this is supposed to melt away makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh, glowing, brightening cleanser, blah, 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 blah. The next thing we have is this. It's from Pureheals. It's a real rose petal sleeping mask. Let's see how much this one costs. Whoa, 55 bucks. This sleeping mask contains real rose petals, rose water to moisturize, revitalize dry skin, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna love this. It's expensive, 55 bucks. Packaging definitely feels pretty heavy duty. The packaging is actually super, super pretty, y'all. Look at this. It is glass, definitely does feel heavy duty. I'm going to assume when I smell this, it smells like roses. It has a plastic top. I can't get it up, y'all, because I'm struggling here. Okay, there we go. Smells like roses. It actually smells really good. Okay, let me touch it. It feels like a gel. It just feels like a gel. I'm going to try this out. Hopefully I love it. I've never used this brand. I don't even know if I've ever heard of this brand, but hopefully I love it. I mean, I don't know. Oh, and it does come with, I think this fell out of it. It comes with a little scooper. I assume it came with this one. It may have come with this, but I just found this in there, so I don't know which one this little scooper thing goes to, but I think it's the rose petal one. Okay, let's go over the lipstick of the day before I forget. I actually am wearing two separate lipsticks. So this one is Tita Pink, and yep, it's Tita Pink. We made these. I will link the video below where we made these. If you want to know how to buy them, you know, let me know in the comments and I will let y'all know. So the Tita Pink's in the middle, and this shade, which is Twins ×2, is on the outside of the lips. I felt like the pink was just too much with this super dull look I have going on, so it's a combo here. Anyway, let's get back into this. This will be going probably to Poshmark or as something I add in a giveaway, or I need to do a freaking giveaway, y'all. Something for a giveaway or Poshmark, because honestly, I'm not gonna use this. It's not, I don't know if these are bad, I have no clue, but I've tried things that you use as patches before and I just didn't like them at all. This actually retails for $32. You get 5 pairs in here, and they are collagen gel eye pads to reduce wrinkles and dark circles. I should try this. I mean, it probably wouldn't hurt, but I just don't like the feeling of having anything under there. I've tried products like that before and it just kind of irritated me. I don't know. Anyway, that one is not something I'm gonna use. This, however, is, because y'all know I love Dr. Brandt. This is a triple antioxidant face cream. Visibly smooths wrinkles and helps prevent signs of aging. I love this brand, so I'm excited to try that. I think I tried Dr. Jart little things that you stick in certain areas, and I just didn't like it, but I do like Dr. Jart, and I like Dr. Brandt too. $64 for this. Whoa. Which shouldn't be surprising because this is, you know, a good brand, so $64 is not really a surprising price tag, but still, like, I wouldn't spend $64 myself, but I'm glad that I got this because I will definitely use it. This says this antioxidant-rich moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. So that's cool. I think this is also for gay pride, or for Pride Month. It just says hashtag say I love you, and then there's rainbow shades here, and then also back here there is. On the box it says it's supposed to hydrate, smooth, and soothe irritation. Apply on cleansed skin, AM or PM. Definitely gonna try this. Y'all know I'm happy about that one. Then we have this. The weird thing about this, y'all, the whole box smells like patchouli. And when I look at the ingredients in here, this doesn't say patchouli. It says experience the refreshing and invigorating powers of grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper. But I had my mom smell this because I'm like, doesn't this smell like patchouli? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, it doesn't say that anywhere on here. And she was like, as somebody from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and on up, she knows patchouli, and I know the smell because of her. So I don't know. I'm just pointing that out. It smells like straight up, like the whole box smells like it. Anyway, this is Aromatherapy body gel. It retails for $46. That's a lot of money to me. That is an extreme amount. It's supposed to leave your skin feeling refreshed and smooth. I'm gonna put this on Poshmark. Y'all, I don't love the smell of patchouli. It's not a smell that I hate, but it's not a smell that I love and want to use. So this will be something else. And I'm not mad at this box. I feel like just with this, I got what I want. And the other skincare products, I'm happy to try them. So that's, you know, I'm finding the value. There's just some things that I don't like. And if I would have actually paid attention, I probably could have picked something different. I just missed. I just dropped the ball there, y'all. Anyway, next thing we got is this Smashbox palette. I feel like I've seen this somewhere. If it was, maybe it was an ad, or I don't think it was TJ Maxx, but I've seen these. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. I've seen these somewhere because there's other ones that are exactly like this, but not this. Like maybe there's 2 different shades of these. This is the Golden Hour Eye Palette. So it has this like thing going on here. This retails for $29. Y'all, I love Smashbox. I have always loved Smashbox. I feel like the quality is there with them. This is a pretty palette too. Like, I'm not mad at this palette at all. It's gorgeous. The shades are beautiful. Y'all know this is definitely my color story, my type of color story. And I like that little pop of purple in there. Let's swatch this. So obviously, definitely I'm keeping this one. Okay, so this is the two top shades right here. Let's swatch those. I love these shades for below my eyebrow. I just feel like sometimes I need that depending on the look I'm going for. And then the bottom row, it is gorgeous. And they feel, oh, they feel amazing. For me, I would say this could be a travel palette for me. Y'all know we went to Vegas, right? I'm still working on editing that vlog. We went to Vegas. I didn't bring any makeup with me. Let me swatch the last two and then I'll give you a full view. I'm not even like swatching a lot and the color payoff is there. Okay, y'all, look at this. I mean, it's beautiful. The color payoff is nice. You know, with swatches, sometimes things look great and then in reality, they don't once you use a brush, kind of like that Urban Decay Prince collab that I think was a total fail, just my personal opinion. But anyway, so I love these. Yes, we were in Vegas and we had a great time. I didn't bring any makeup and they are fully open and I do have my vaccine, so I could have walked around without a mask on. I did, and it was weird, and had makeup and everything and I didn't even know. So if we were to travel again, which we're not, this would be a nice travel palette. I like y'all know this is my color story. This is like what I love, and it's so small and compact. You could fit it in your back pocket. Although I say that often and then I'm like, that would be weird to just walk around with an eyeshadow palette in your back pocket. But whatever, we're rambling. It's a nice palette, so I'm glad that I got that. Let's get into the last thing. This is another thing that I'm kind of like, I'm not excited. I'm not excited about it, okay? This one actually retails for 50 bucks, y'all. The packaging is nice. It has like this magnetic case to it. Pretty.
It's my makeup.
Nice makeup. I like that lipstick, that lip shade. Nice.
Because I don't have more makeup.
You don't have more makeup? You have a lot of makeup. You had more makeup than I had in my teens. Anyway, nice packaging. Has some stuff on the back too. So this is Intense Hydration, Reduces Dark Circles and Puffy Eyes. This will be another thing that I will probably sell on Poshmark just because these, I don't wear these. I have blackout curtains, but I don't wear these because they smush my eyelashes down. And then the cooling things, that's actually cool, but I think it was the last Boxyluxe that we got. I got those cooling wand things. They're like water inside. You keep them in your beauty fridge or your regular fridge. I have a beauty fridge and I actually never use them. So I feel like I'm never gonna use this. I'm not mad at it. It's probably my fault because I did not check my freaking email. Did not check my email, so it's probably, literally, it's probably all my fault. But this, like I said, I'll link my Poshmark below because some of the stuff's going on there. Although, I do, cheese. She's eating up the camera time, y'all. Although I do find the value in the box, you know, it's probably my fault for not checking. Anyway, that's all of the stuff we got. This is the card, cute, simple card. Y'all know I'm always cool with, you know, most of the stuff that we get. There's maybe one or two things that I'm like, I hate that. But all in all, you know, I'm cool with this. I'm happy with this. I find the value, so that's that. Anyway, let's stop rambling. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye!